hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a New Link from New Link Production. So my people, you don't know, so we from Jamaica and thing, you understand. And in the end, we Jamaican, we always go someplace and try for broke records. I don't know people, you know what I mean? Whether track and field, whether in any form of sports or whether with anything, people. And now I'm gonna tell you, a Jamaican has popped a murder record over in our state, people, in our county in the United States of America. You know what I mean? And boy, may I tell the people, Jaja sees and Jaja knows. Mankind, boy, we don't know. Some Jamaican just make a thing look bad for others. You know what I mean, people? Oh my pearl, oh my precious New Link. So let me just read this article, people, that I have right in front of me about this thing. And boy, I tell you, Jamaican soldier in US Army breaks century-old murder-free record in small town in New Jersey. A Jamaican in the US Army has been charged with what authorities say is the first murder committed in Byram Township, New Jersey in more than 100 years. Jeez and people. This a man that come brought the people a murder record, people. Chaja. 23-year-old Private Jamal Mellish and a 16-year-old boy is charged with the murder of U.S. Army Corporal Hayden Harris. According to U.S. media reports, Corporal Harris was reported missing on December 17 when he left the Fort Drum Army Base in upstate New York to complete a vehicle transaction with Private Mellish. Authorities believe an altercation may be developed leading to Private Mellish kidnapping Corporal Harris. Media reports are Private Mellish then took Corporal Harris more than 300 miles to his hometown in Brooklyn, New York. Corporal Harris was then taken to Byram Township where he is believed to have been shot in the head and buried in the snow. Jaja. On December 28, Private Mellish and a 16-year-old boy whose name was not released were charged with first-degree murder, first-degree kidnapping, second-degree possession of a weapon without a permit, and second-degree possession of weapons for unlawful purposes. Private Mellish also was charged with suppressing evidence. Private Mellish is reportedly a past student of the Mannings High School in Westmoreland. According to Private Mellish's Facebook profile, he was a student of the school from 2010 until 2013, when it's believed he migrated to the US. The 23-year-old is believed to have represented the Savannah Lamar Base School in the DaCosta Cup and was considered a prospective youth international for Jamaica. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Wow, people, 23-year-old, you understand? And me even not going to talk about the 16-year-old. I'm going to talk about this 23-year-old man who is a private, basically a soldier over there in the US, people. A man who from down in Westmoreland side, people. A man was represented a high school from Jamaica in the DaCosta Cup League, people. And who was considered a very outstanding young man, people. Do put himself in this situation over in the United States of America. And what I'm saying, people, what really is going on in the mindset of people right now? What really are going on? I want to know, because in the end, number one, how can you expected to do something like this? You understand? Especially over in the United States, and expect say you're going to do it, it'll go happen, it'll go done with, and you're going to live a good life and a continue, you know what I mean, and story now going to come to bumps. Yes, we have situation where it do happen, so people do things, but me know say after a while, people, we see it pull, you understand? Yeah, man, we see it unfold. See? So in this man's head now, he believe or he thought he going to do something like this. This young man, people, this crazy young man, you know what I mean, who only make we Jamaicans look bad again, over in the state do something like this. Basically there, you can say you have a problem, people, with this man. You get me? it should be a vehicle transaction. I don't know what transpired in that vehicle transaction, people, but it seemed like he have a different plan. You know, if he should buy a vehicle or something, or give up a vehicle, give over a vehicle, people, like him not want it go so. Or I'm wonder if he have a problem personally in the army base there, people. You get what me I say? Because basically is a next man him deal with, so, you know, people. And the other man when deal with, so, he seems to be a bigger man than him in a day. You get what me I say, people? And this is how him turn around and deal with the situation. One bullet to the man head, and a 16-year-old youth did it with him to be assistant to do whatever he was doing. 23-year-old youth don't live no life yet. Damage him reputation, damage him future now, people. Him name not gonna stop talking now. Everything I gonna look bad for him and family. You know what I mean? When he lead back to Jamaica. Did you know that Jamaica was the first man to break a murder record over in this part here? This has never happened in years before, in over 100 years ago. And this Jamaican boy come over into the United States and done something like this. You know? Fall back on with name, fall back on with country people. Make everything look bad. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Me feel it, people. You get me I say? I feel it, and that's why sometimes you see when people come to boom, go down at the embassy, look in their visa, they can't get it. You know, because all of them something I build up more and more obstacles and forget other Jamaicans get opportunity. What could have lead them to do something like this? No, serious. I have seen situation, you know, where man lose them job and thing, get fire on them something the people. In the end, them take it to a different measure. You know what I mean? Get rid of boss, get rid of this. Listen me I say, man. Just think about it. Sometimes things do happen for a reason. And God have a purpose, God have a plan for you. I said over and over already. Don't feel like it's the end of the world. Maybe I look on the picture, so look, you know, you're not going to get that income there again. You did a plan for buy such and apply for buying this and thing. But in the process, when this thing do happen, you can't pursue that dream that you did have before. But don't give up. It makes no sense. Because when you do give up now and thing, you understand what going to happen? Where you think are going to be the end result of the whole situation? You go come to boom now, line up, slap with the boss, slap with the supervisor, they slap with the manager, because no man, just tell yourself, so look, you know, God have something bigger for you. Maybe not going to happen today, but just still push yourself and go forward. Don't give up. I have seen situations like this over and over, even in my life. And me just look into it and say, no, the Almighty has something better planned for me. Because if you know in yourself now, you is a person who have ambition, who is going forward in life and want to achieve something great in life, you have got to pray, say, you know what, the Almighty has something better for me. So this is just an obstacle that I was maybe trying, focusing and trying to, you know, think it was good for me. But God no say it not good for me. You know, it's sad people. And all I can say, man, boy, them are going to deal with them harsh. I know them are going to deal with them harsh. I don't know how the law go over in that place if they do the death thing the people. Because you know some state do it, some not do it and things. You know what I mean? I don't know how it go, but I don't think they're going to do it over this part. Because you know, say this is the first one that happened over in 100 years. So you know, it's a peaceful local place. And this man comes up, why? Only just Caesar knows people. And bury them in a snow side. Yo, in cold still, you know? He's a cold-hearted boy. Look on his face too. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Serious boy, no? Look on him, man. He no play, no? You see it? He no laugh. Jeez, viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Boy, I like to tell you, people are getting crazy. Crazy. And this craziness continue going right into 2021. No joke, because amount of story come to New Link in this here. Today hour, the 2nd of January, people, and the amount of story will come to New Link. Only just season he knows. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. More love, more respect. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. But all I can tell people, it's not an easy road. Remember to do subscribe, and after you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell. So as the Attacking Boss drop a video, you will get them. And remember, tap all people in the notification. So as I drop a video, I go hear ping. Because when I tap all, later they upload them, you're not going to see them people. Please hit the notification bell and tap on all. And as I say, if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe, because you're missing out on a lot of great contents and more to come. A lot of story where we have people, story can done. You know the Attacking Boss got to work. Zine, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, Follow me on Twitter, New Link Production. And we also have our merch, our New Link shirts, them so you can check below the video in the description. Click on the link and, you know what I mean, support the thing and wear a New Link brand, not true. And we also have a PayPal link, so anybody want to do contribute to our channel, please check below the video. You understand? And there you can make your contribution. And for business promotion, channel promotion, reviews, or anything, link up the Attacking Boss. Just DM me on Instagram, man. You don't know, special rate. Peace out. Attack. Big up. I'm out.